Hey y'all, welcome to Nicola Designs. I am going to make a trinket dish. And I want to do like a dark themed purple and black. And then I want to put this sticker I got from It's Pretty Personal, fueled by books and fantasy. I thought that'd be really pretty in a black and purple. So sorry, I had to get another napkin. My hands are sticky. Okay, so I'm going to marble black and purple. I'm going to use the fairy dust, and I'm going to do the little lines that I do. I usually do little bitty short. I'm going to try to do longer ones. I have a stick. Oh. I'm going to use my silicone stick, and I'm just going to kind of do this across it. So we'll see how this goes. Let me try and figure out what I want to do first. So I'm going to do black and purple. This one holds 7.5 ounces, so I mixed 8 ounces. So I'm going to split it. I'm a little worried about the purple taking over the... actually, I'm worried about the black. If this is on black, I'm worried about it blending, but I think they're going to be enough of a color difference that it shouldn't be an issue. Actually, looks like this might be lined in a little thin line of purple, so that's going to help. Okay, so good. All right, so let me mix up some colors here. We're going to use Resin Rockers Purple Rain. And this is a really, really, really pretty color. I just did 2 scoops. See if that's enough. I just want to make sure it's opaque. And that's why I use a opposite color on my stick so that I can see it well enough. Is that on the outside? No. Okay, so that's nice and opaque. So I'm going to put this aside. Then I'm going to mix some black. I'm going to use Eye Candy Sumi Black. And I need to start putting like in my little, I had a spoon. I got a spoon with one of them, but I don't know what I did with it. So we're just going to dump some in here. I need a decent amount just to make sure that it's going to be opaque. Hopefully that's enough. I want that pearlescent look in the black, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to swirl it at all because of it's going to be on the other side. I can swirl the back all I want, but we'll see. Playing it by ear, playing it by ear. And let's see, I made 8, so I'm going to put... Usually I should put 4 because it should be 4 and 4. I'm going to put... Let me put 4 and see what it does. 1, 2, 3. I might need to add another drop or 2. 1, 2, 3. I'm not adding glitter to this one. So Alexa, stop. I'm not adding glitter to this one, so we might be good. I'm going to add another drop. Big drop. I want it gloopy. I don't want it to blend. I mean, I do, but I don't. Okay, so that's good. And then we're going to mix this one up and make sure it's gloopy. I think that one's gloopy enough. All right. And I'm going to throw another glove on because this is getting kind of sticky. 2 different type of gloves. I do not like these black ones. I don't know if it's just this brand I got, but they're sticky inside. My hands sweat inside them. So if y'all know of a good brand, I don't know if that's what it is. I'm gonna put the sticker aside so I don't mess anything up. And I need one more cup so that I can mix these. And I'm going to paint this on. Trying to decide which side I want. This is backwards. I forget that. And it is crazy, crazy. Already got sparkles in there. So I'm just going to kind of do lines. Usually I do short ones. I'm trying to do longer ones, just to give it kind of a different look. We'll see how it comes out behind the dark colors. Hopefully pretty. It's got kind of a green purple shift to it. I can see it at an angle, so I'm kind of going at an angle here. All right, that's all I'm putting. Woo, sparkly. Look how sparkly. I'm just gonna, oh wow, green. This might have a lot more green than I was expecting. We're gonna see. All right, so I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna mix them up and marble them, dirty pour. I'm gonna do kind of big chunks here. Oop. And I'm just going to pour these in. Like I said, big chunks. I think this should be pretty. And make sure when you use these DTF stickers, if they're from It's Pretty Personal, cut off the numbers, because you will transfer that to your piece if you're not careful. All right. And if I have too much, if anything, I should only have half an ounce too much, but we're going to see. I'm going to have to find something to put it in if I do have too much. Alrighty. Isn't that a pretty purple? Good name. All right. No glitter. All right. Might end up having too much. I might have domed the other one or something differently. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have too much. Isn't that pretty? And I am, nope, just a little bit more. I want it to dome, but I don't want it to go over. All right, that's enough. So I didn't need all 8 ounces, so I must have measured it after I'd top coated or done something to it. Okay, so I'm going to pop bubbles. I will mute it so that you don't have to listen to the torch. Be really careful for the sides. So usually I try to aim for the middle. This is the back, so I could, actually I'll just go ahead and spray it really quick. Get some of those big bubbles. I'll wait a few minutes for that alcohol to disperse, and then I will torch it really quick in the middle. I'm gonna leave this running because this should pull through the middle, pull to the middle. I can see it starting to happen, so I'll leave that running for a few minutes, and I will see you guys on demold. Alright guys, we're back, and this is dry. This is ready to demold. And I made, I think I stopped talking, but I had poured the extra in this little cat mold. Oh, it did have a lot of green in it. That's interesting. Kind of wish I didn't do that design. It's got a weird look to it. When you're putting the UVDTF stickers, cut off the number. It will transfer. Just letting you know. Make sure you put your molds back. Let me demold these really quick. These are always super cute. And that's probably one of the first things people always pick up and look at. Isn't it cute? And oh, I like that one has more black than that one. That's kind of cool. Super shiny, super cute. Okay. So now we're going to put the sticker on. I'm going to cut some of this excess off so that it'll curve around where I need it to fit and everything. So I'm just cutting some of this extra clear off. Trying not to cut off any of the actual sticker. Alrighty. So we're going to put, okay. I like that purple and black. Kind of wish I didn't put this because I didn't know there was that much green in it. But hindsight's 20/20, right? I think this will fit. I think I'm gonna have to lay it first in there. Cool. I don't have any resin mixed up, so I'm going to need to pour a little small thin coat. So I will video record it. You don't have to listen to me. Isn't that pretty? I think it came out pretty. So that I'll put a thin coat on there. I'll videotape it, and then I'll take it out in the sun so you can see it in the sun. I think it came out pretty. All right, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.